Guys, I'm sitting here in my conference room at 11:30 at night waiting for my oldest brother's birthday at midnight. Kuna Senatiraja is turning 75 years old or something on the 5th of March. Alright, and I just turned 21 last June. Okay, and behind me you can see my board. It's really messy because I just finished making the video for Go for Gold Plus promo. Alright, so watch out for this video on VTube and everywhere else, so you guys understand how to take advantage of the Go for Gold Plus promo launched by QNet on the 1st of March. Now, I'm so happy that you guys have been following my Wednesday videos. Alright, as you know, I started this Wednesday video from last year VCon. That after VCon, I committed to the participants of VCon that I'll make a video every week for 8 weeks to remind them of the key lessons and learnings and things they have to do after VCon. And for some reason, you guys, my family, didn't want me to stop. So we have done 40 over videos. Yeah, 40 over Wednesday videos. That's how many Wednesdays I've been in front of a camera. But this Wednesday, I want to talk about a topic I learned from my mentor and upline, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. Alright, when I first started networking, I was young and cool, rebellious, not very disciplined, and a little bit of a fun-loving person in interesting ways. Okay, now I'm cool, fun, gorgeous, rich, and single. Okay, but the bottom line is he taught me the art of perception management. He taught me a very valuable lesson that when you are in a position of leadership or you are in upline, which all of you are, remember, you got one downline, you have become an upline. Alright? One downline, 100,000 downlines, doesn't matter. You're still an upline. And he says that once you become an upline, once you become a leader, alright, you must manage your perception every day. Now, what is perception? Perception is what you convey out to the world. Alright? What image, what message, what perception you want people to perceive you to be, all right, or who you are. You understand? So I learned, there's a lot of loud music in the background because we are trying to choose our VCon song. Okay, so in a few days the magic will happen and I'll find the VCon song. Okay, but managing our perception is fundamentally important, all right, in our business of network marketing. Now, putting on a jacket, putting on a shirt, all right, and dressing up, grooming yourself well, okay, all of this is fundamentals of managing your perception. That you're taking yourself seriously, that you are a businessman, a businesswoman, that you no longer walk around in shorts and a torn t-shirt like you used to when you were in college or when you were younger, all right, okay, managing how you behave, all right, whether you go to the wrong establishments, whether you get intoxicated, whether you do stupid things in public, all right, which will change how people perceive you, reducing their respect, all right, reducing their belief and trust in you, right? So you as an upline, as a networker, you have to constantly manage your perception. Now, doesn't mean you stop having fun, doesn't mean you can't go to a club with your downlines and dance a little bit, all right, but don't take off your shirt and run around town half drunk. Alright, that's bad perception. Because remember, not all your downlines are like you. Alright, I've learned to deal with downlines from different cultures, different belief systems. Alright, and try to position myself and manage my perception to the best of my ability to be neutral. I'm neither extreme on any aspect. Alright, and for your information, I don't even drink. Okay, I don't believe in drinking alcohol. But more importantly than that, alright, your word, your voice as an upline, to be able to influence your downline, to be able to push your downline to do something, very much is dependent on who you are, how you carry yourself, how you manage your perception, because that decides how your downline perceives you. Now, all around the world I travel, okay, and I know that people listen to me, and that puts a bigger responsibility on my shoulder to manage my perception much better. Now, a lot of people say managing your perception is faking it. No, that's total bullsugar. Alright? Firstly, why are you managing your perception? If you are managing your perception for a better purpose, to give confidence to people, to help people, then that's a positive approach to managing your perception. All right? But if you are managing your perception to cheat people, like con men, they wear suits, they wear ties, they'll walk and say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, but they are doing it for a bad reason. All right? That management of perception is negative. And I don't support that kind of management of perception, to take advantage of people, to cheat people, to take money from people. But today, let's face the fact. You are a networker. You are an upline. You are a CEO of your tracking center in your organization. You run systems. You go up on stage and tell people, believe in me. Follow me to financial freedom. Then you have to change who you are to be that person. Right? And change is a necessity in network marketing. Somebody told me once, Chief, after I become a networker, I've lost my identity. That's stupidity. All right? Who even said your old identity was good? Most probably you were the biggest moron on the planet, like I was. All right? So change is a necessity in network marketing. That once you start your journey in QNet, when you start your journey towards financial freedom, change. Become a better person. Become a more unbelievable upline. Go up on stage and inspire thousands of people to change their lives. All right? Trust me, your mom will be proud. So will your father. So will your wife be and your kids. All right? So I realized this, that a lot of people come into network marketing. They don't want to change their perception. They don't want to change who they are. They don't want to manage their perception at all. They said, I just want to be the way I am. All right? That's total stupidity and moronism to the highest level. I use stupidity and moronism in the same sentence, you see. That requires high IQ. Right? But most importantly, guys, understand your role today in your journey. Understand that you cannot be the same person you were. Your core values stay the same. My core values haven't changed. I'm still the little boy from Telok Intan, the small village in the middle of nowhere. I still love my mother tremendously and I miss her tremendously. But most important, I have grown. I have changed to become a better upline. To become a better upline to you, all of you around the world. Right? And I've seen my mentor and upline, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwan, change and evolve today into a most respected speaker, multi-millionaire, author, all right, philosopher, okay, and a man who makes a difference in the world. But I also remember him 15 years ago, and he has changed. He has evolved. We must grow. So you must accept the fact that the day you signed up, change begins. The day you referred your first direct referral, you change. When you have a network of 10,000 people, you change even more, positively. And always focus on managing your perception. Remember, monkey see, monkey do. And literally, monkey see. All right? People learn more about you by looking at you than listening to you. All right? So carry yourself with the right posture. Millionaire mentality. Before the $1 million reaches your bank account, you must already be a millionaire here. I've always taught you that. Carry the posture of somebody who's already financially free. And I'm telling you, people will follow you. All right? And you will have this great ability to change lives. So this is my Wednesday message. This is what I want to convey to you. Always manage your perception positively. Be ready to change once you've started this journey. You're not the same person you used to be. Remember that there are hundreds or thousands of people who look up to you, who want to duplicate you, who listen to every word you say and cling on to it and trust you. Don't breach that trust. Don't take advantage of that love and belief. This is fundamentally important when you become an upline or a leader. All right? So this Wednesday is going to be an exciting Wednesday. The Go for Gold Plus promo is on. VCon preparations is full swing. Today I just approved the merchandise. We're going to have the sexiest, most unbelievable, bigger, stronger, louder, all right, merchandise for you guys to purchase at VCon. So come with lots of money, all right? And if you haven't registered for VCon, go to the tallest building in your city and play the song, I Believe I Can Fly. All right. Now, to all the kids and the children within you, the adults, I hope you remember that I wrote with my team, amazing team, we created a comic called People the Unbelievable, and we did part 1. And this VCon, we will be launching part 2, where People and his family comes to VCon. Talk about the connection. You buy it at VCon, you read it at VCon, and they're also at VCon. All right, so that comic will be up for sale. All right, but very limited in numbers. Okay, so just take orders from all your kids. Okay, because I think People the Unbelievable is a great way of teaching your young ones about the great industry of network marketing and about the V and QNet. So this is your gorgeous chief rushing out to celebrate Kuna's birthday. I want to tell you guys one thing. All right, we started the month of March. We have started with the Go for Gold Plus promo. Get ready to rock and roll. Don't forget the fundamentals. Presentación, presentación, presentación. And everyone is a prospect. All right, put on these special glasses where everyone is a prospect. So I love you guys, and remember, you are a different person today. Change positively, manage your perception, and remember, the world is looking at you. All right, be the person you're meant to be. All right, I love you guys, and enjoy the Wednesday message, and check out the Go for Gold Plus promo video I made, and follow